of the late great Brian Wilson, we're going to do In My Room, one of his most vulnerable and amazing songs. So let's dive in. It's really just 4 parts, and I'm going to dive into it and show you a little bit of how I do it and how you can do it. So there's really 2 guitar parts. There's the rhythm, that's simply strumming the chords in 6/8 time. There's like this little lead that just arpeggiates those chords in 6/8 time. By the way, that is the time signature 6/8. It's a waltz feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So get used to that. That's 1 measure. You with me? Cool. I'm going to be teaching it to you in a simple strum style, but know that you can arpeggiate this at any point in time. I encourage you to try a little bit of both. Mix it up, have some fun. Here we go. The intro is this. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G sharp minor, 2, 4, 5. C sharp minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F sharp. Right? Pretty simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the G sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the C sharp minor. And then 1 strum. Let that ring on the F sharp. And if you want to use the arpeggiated style, I can show you real quick. You simply want to go just from the low, up, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just to keep it simple. Do that for all the chords, starting with the root note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool? All right, so let's go to the next part. That is the intro. Here is the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so I've got a lot of B, right? A lot of B major. I'm playing 5 measures of this, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then all of a sudden I jump over here to the A, to the A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to my B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the G sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the C sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the A major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To F sharp major twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which leaves a lot of tension because that right there is a perfect transition to the chorus. Here's the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's just B major for 1 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To A major for 1 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To B major for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. You already got 3 of the 4 parts done. The intro, the verse, and the chorus. Let's go ahead and give you that last little section, the bridge. This is the trickiest, but it's a lot of fun. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I've got there is I've got starting on a G sharp minor for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To F sharp major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the fun part. A G sharp minor to an F sharp major. Sharp cut. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 measures of that B. Then he starts back over a G sharp minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to F sharp major. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then C sharp minor for 3 measures. Really extending that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, sharp major for a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is a perfect transition back to your verse. Cool, and that's basically it. Now, at the very end, that chorus is simply going to be B to A, B to A, so technically there's another part, but not really. So just know it's one measure of B, one measure of A on that final chorus until you decide to fade out and maybe end on B. Cool, so just a little side tangent, side note. I want to make sure I'm thorough, make sure I give you everything I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I do have the PDF guide on my Patreon if you're not already there, and I appreciate you guys watching. Please go learn a lot of Beach Boys songs in honor of the late, great Brian Wilson. At least at the time of this recording, he just passed about a week ago, so I thought I'd make this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.